Hey there everyone! Most of us play video games in many different platforms like PC, PlayStation, Xbox, smartphones, etc. Gaming headphones are a must-have accessory for every gamers. The only problem is that most of the gaming headphones are rather budget unfriendly. Instead of going for the expensive ones, wasting your money, I have something for you. In this video, I will show you how to buy a $53 gaming headphone at a price of $48. Let's go. First come to your Google Chrome and here is the link, and the name of this product is Be Excellent Gaming Headset for PS4, Xbox One, over-ear gaming headphones with noise reduction, mic volume control, LED light for PC, laptop, Mac, tablet, and smartphones. This product is sold by Be Excellent and it's got 4.5-star ratings. It's got 2,951 ratings and 139 answered questions, and it is the #1 bestseller in PC earphones and headsets. The original price is $53, but it's sold at the price of $48, and it is free shipping. You save about $5. This product is available in two assorted colors, the blue and the red. The red one is a bit cheaper. And below are some product descriptions. You can read it here. And here are the sponsored products related to this item. You can check it here. And if you have a question, you can ask it here in this question bar. And here are the system requirements and the product informations and some additional product informations. And here are the product descriptions. The product picture looks amazing. Comfortable gaming headset. Breathable and soundproof AirPad. Rotating mic. Surround sound headset. Durable cord. Okay, and here are the questions. If you have questions relating to this product, you can ask the questions and they will give you the answer. And here are the customer reviews. It's got 4.4 out of 5 stars. And here are the customers' images. If you buy this product, be sure to submit your reviews. Budget gaming headset. Works good for kids. Great quality headset. Surprised about this product. Nice and cool design. Highly recommended. I am very satisfied with the product and vice versa. This is all for this video everyone. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. If you are interested in buying this product, go ahead. It is very nice product. And if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. It's your choice. That's all. Thanks so much for watching.